Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. Did you know that Brits use a staggering 52 million eggs on Pancake Day? That's 22 million more than any other day. What do you like on your pancakes, ladles and jelly spoons? I'm quite partial to cinnamon-infused maple syrup from Crown that's incredibly difficult to get in the UK. Feel free to tell me in the comments down below. Meow, 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 meow. 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 Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Meow, meow. 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 Meow, 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 meow. Get out of it, go on, go away. Sorry about that, littles and jelly spoons, but if indeed you did enjoy this video, please be sure to hit the old like button, and if you have any other things you'd like to see Tiger Thom cook, please suggest them in the comments down below. I have been Kohigh Mathy, and if you'd like to see more of this mush, then why not check out the rest of the channel and even possibly consider subscribing. I upload videos every Wednesday at 6 PM British Standard Time. And if you are seeing this part of the video, littles and jelly spoons, I just want to say a very big thank you. Your constant support means the world to me. And to Tiger Thom.